So you must be proud that your work is not in vain.
That's right. That's right.
You know, that's why you must be
and
proud.
And that's what let you go forward.
Yes,
because you're living for something.
Yes.
Hoping for something.
Yes.
Desiring for something to see it one day.
Yes.
You know, see,
yes.
No, let me tell you, Kevin, sometimes you may be talking and you have somebody answering you, and even if you did miss out of a thing, you drop right back in.
Mm-hmm.
So, some people don't recognize it, you know.
Mm-hmm.
You know?
Mm-hmm.
Some people would say, I put this is a matter. But let me tell you something. Mm-hmm. It's history.
Mm-hmm.
And history must fulfill.
Yes.
That is it.
Mm-hmm.
History must fulfill.
Mm-hmm.
When God started, when He created the earth, when He said, let there be light. No, the earth was here, right? Mm-hmm. And He said, God created the heaven and the earth, mm-hmm. right? Out of His way. Mm-hmm. We don't business with that. Mm-hmm. I don't know if we business. Mm-hmm. But He said the earth was without form and void. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. No man moved upon the face of the earth. Mm-hmm. Right? And the first thing He do, He said, let there be light. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Because without light, mm-hmm. can you see?
True.
If you never make light, first could the things what done could done.
You have to go walk without.
Hey. If He never create light,
mm-hmm.
could what the rest of things that done, could mm-hmm. it be done? Mm-hmm. Because it was in darkness. Mm-hmm. You see. But mm-hmm. from the light come now, mm-hmm. and the darkness disappear, mm-hmm. you see, to do everything. Mm-hmm. You know, see. Or what you want to do then. Yeah. Not everything, because you cannot do everything.
No. It is one of my friends on the journey, I said to them, mercy to everyone. And me never seek to do everything. You know, the younger ones coming behind me.
That's right.
Because if I seek to do everything, I'll be the immediate.
That's right. You cannot do everything.
No.
No way.
No, you take your
time.
And
those are knowledge.
You plant the seed, you grow
yes.
it to the tree.
Cannot do everything.
And take your time, one day at a time.
Why you think Solomon, when he go to God, when he asks for
wisdom, right?
Solomon, the wise king. Mm-hmm. He never asked for gold.
No.
He never asked for silver. Mm-hmm. He asked for wisdom, knowledge, and understanding. Mm-hmm. Right? Mm-hmm. So, when Solomon do what he do, his history live, that you come realize, mm-hmm. you see, realize that you cannot do everything. Mm-hmm. Because if Solomon did ask you everything, mm-hmm. what would happen?
I mean, will I get destroyed?
He couldn't carry.
He couldn't carry.
Mm-mm. Because you can't do everything.
You need a team.
What you are going to do?
You need a team.
You can't do everything.
No, you can't do everything.
No care how the man go tell him good. Mm-hmm. Somebody in there.
You need a team.
So, because he can't do everything.
No.
All right.
And sometimes the team not perfect, but you have to make them understand the journey, right?
Yes.
So sometimes people say, Randy, left them. I say, no, me need them too. Me going straighten them up.
Mm-hmm. No, the man, where would say this now? The one that it fall on Jericho Road, where the man then cut him up and left him to dead. And the pastor passed, and you know, him and the deacon passed, and you know, him, that was the priest and the Levites. But the publican, why could you tell me why did the publican have mercy on him?
You tell me. Me no know.
Mm-hmm. You don't know?
Me no know.
The Christian, the priest going to the church to collect the money. Mm-hmm. And the Levites go to the church now to collect the congregation. Mm-hmm. The Levites will collect the congregation for the pastor come preach. You understand me? Mm-hmm. But you know about that the part go. Mm-hmm. But the publican, which was a sinner, see when he pass and he look on his house and he say, brother, lead on me. So he look on himself and he say, but this is one of me. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. So he draw near to him and he come up on his house. Me come up my house and look down upon him. Me nobody there. But me I see him.
Mm-hmm.
And when he look down upon the house, he said, but it look like him not dead. So when him take down him bag off my back, in little bag, and you know those traveler always travel with something.
Mm-hmm.
And they buckle, just like you today.
Mm-hmm. Yes.
And him open him, the wound them a bleed.
Mm-hmm.
And him taking eye and him touch the wound them. Heal them up.
Mm-hmm.
And he open him buckle with him wine. Open him mouth, hold him to jack and pour the wine down. And when the wine reach in throat, Kevin, I something may I tell you.
Mm-hmm.
When the wine reach in throat, if he did dead, the wine wouldn't go down.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Thank you, Jesus.
Mm-hmm.
But he was still alive. So make a shift.
Mm-hmm.
So when the man dead man lay down, they make a shift now, the man say, but you're not dead.
Mm-hmm.
So he put back him back pan him back.
Mm-hmm.
And he no left him there, he take him up.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Put him in front of him pan his house.
Mm-hmm.
And he no back him go yard.
Mm-hmm.
I can't go children, he can't go to hospital.
Mm-hmm.
And he push his hand in his pocket and he said to them, he say, see him. He no but tell him, say take him up a roadside, you know.
Mm-hmm.
He said, see him. Do what you can to him. And he give him the money until I return.
Mm-hmm.
Anything more, I will pay it.
Mm-hmm.
You know, return it. Until the day of judgment when he getting reward.
Mm-hmm.
So the Jesus, the disciple them turn to Jesus. Why him give them that parable? The disciple them ask him who is their neighbor.
Mm-hmm.
So it's him now turn it around upon them and say, out of these three, who was the man's neighbor?
Mm-hmm.
So them say, the man that have compassion on him.
Mm-hmm.
Right?
Yeah.
And yet the two we pass are them Christian, you know.
Mm-hmm.
You look into it. See where the price come there now. Solomon wise.
Mm-hmm.
Because he has some wisdom, knowledge and understanding. The two we pass are Christian, they don't see the man.
Mm-hmm.
But the sinner man out there have compassion on him.
Mm-hmm.
You see. So when that's why you hear the Bible say it's hard for a rich man to enter the kingdom of him. So that man now will come have compassion on him come now like Lazarus. You see.
Mm-hmm.
But when me tell them most of the time when time in a serve, me say Lazarus never had nothing. All he have is a big sore foot.
Mm-hmm.
But the day when the breath left the body, the poor foot healing up, I have me with no sore.
Mm-hmm.
One day, you know,
Mm-hmm.
since me have my eye, I go man the bill. And when me in the chick car, me hear one brother said to me, say, one church brother, I'm gonna say, he said, Sister Barnes, mental patch, Muchi said, me I come look for you. Me say, I promise you that come back to a pool.
Mm-hmm.
She said, me say, that's the post question, me say, and you know that. So me say, you know, let me tell you something. Two pence shape, you know what then did they? And me take penny pan out. I like penny pan. But the more see me glad for, no blind, no die heaven.
Mm-hmm.
She not the chance, you know.
Mm-hmm. So when it's time for you to go, you will be seeing.
You hear me? Drive with the mouth same way, son. I never will no apology because me say, me offering, me tithe and me collection, everything, me goods, me everything down at the church.
Mm-hmm.
And I want church brother said that to me.
Mm-hmm.
You see. But nobody remember. You know?
Mm-hmm.
Because God, Jesus say. And I follow him because they love him at the fish and the bread.
Ah. And I love him at the
And
fish
they
and
never
the
love him
bread.
because if they did love him many times at the crucifixion, they'll say no bother with him.
No bother kill him.
Alright. But they all of them, all who near me, all the fish bone in their mouth. They say crucify me. You hear me?
And the fish and the bread.
The fish and the bread, the crumbs of the bread in the hand. And yam, a bite, they depend on yam. But then most members say men give them. And create the miracle. And yet see them say crucify him. So I can tell you something, you see, Randy. I can tell you something. Bible says walk as wise. Discern the time, but the days are evil.
Mm-hmm.
And if there is no time, evil time is now.
Mm-hmm.
You see it?
Mm-hmm.
You not have to walk with fine, you know.
Mm-hmm.
Anywhere you did it.
Mm-hmm.
Anywhere you go, you did it.
Mm-hmm.
You know, see, evil days is there.
The evil.
Evil.
And
So when you hear them a kill Prime Minister and I say this boat coming in, what happen?
the time.
At the time,
Mm-hmm.
and time is no time not wait for no man.
Mm-hmm.
You know, see. And they say time is his master. So the master take woman now.
Mm-hmm.
You see. I take charge for what may happen. So man happy dead.
Mm-hmm.
But pray to God that you're not dead anyhow, anyway.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Me beg him say, anyhow, anytime, but not anyhow.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
You hear?
Mm-hmm.
Because somebody tried it. That's why he blame them come up and say, me not gonna know it.
Mm-hmm. This is why the song say,
Because
don't let me fall, Lord, don't let me fall. Hey.
No, man. Make you go, make you below. Below. And keep the foot.
The strength.
Because you know, Randy, me don't know the man who say no God no day. Me don't know. He shouldn't live in no.
Mm-mm.
He shouldn't live in no. Alright, you the America they know. It's reflect back to your mind. You are going to Jamaica. You start pack up. The piece of clothes you put in the suitcase, you could have no move, you know.
Mm-hmm.
You could have no put one of that piece in there, you know.
Mm-hmm.
Anything could happen.
Mm-hmm.
Alright, you give the strength, you give the energy, you give the mind. You know what you have put in there. No, look into that. Look into it, man.
Mm-hmm.
Go back in your life and go back, go search something. You know you have the consideration, and you know what you want, and you put what you want in there. Alright.
Mm-hmm.
Man, when the hours come and you can play, you could have let the gate and you know reach out a road if you go take car or what's it, you go with. It could happen, you know.
Mm-hmm.
Alright. You go up in the plane. The plane take off, but you know, might be not reach no way. What happen?
You know, and get to the destination.
Eh?
You know, I reach where you need to go.
Everything crashes, so everything done there, so everything done. And man, I go say, God no there. So who give the energy, or who make? Look where you go. Look how much feet you go up in the year if you come here.
Mm-hmm.
Eh?
Yes, yes.
You ever consider that,
So,
baby? And I say, you know.
so,
And God give the man the energy to carry you up there, or had the pilot the plane. Kevin, I want holy pabu. Yeah, all your daughter can write book.
mm-hmm.
I want holy people to write.
It's a long road, you know, Mama.
And the good thing any at it.
Mm-hmm.
Nothing get any, you know. And good day. History.
And you have to respect that too.
Alright.
You can't just respect life, you know, because death always a wait for you. Sometimes you have to talk to the and say, death me not ready yet. And they say, alright, give some more time. Sometimes you have to bargain with death. Say, death, you know, say, me owe you my life, but me not ready right yet.
Something.
Me soon come back. And they say, alright. Because me there wait for you, you know.
Prepare till me come now. When me come, me not go leave you. So.
People sometimes them only respect life, but they don't respect death.
They don't respect that.
Cause that's why.
And let me tell you, I'm going to, that's the only ease and comfort to a man, you know.
Mm-hmm.
And people might believe you in that ease. Then, Kevin, let me tell you something. If you're there now, you have arthritis, you have pressure, and you have pain all over. Every blow you blow a pain.
Yeah.
And death come. You have a pain to work, and no ease. Eh?
Yeah.
After that, you feel pain.
No. The burden is gone. The pain is gone. So death is your pain killer.
Reliever.
No, that could be the reliever, redeemer. You say, you have a bird?
Then what? If you know that you can't see the Redeemer. Let me go back here, man. Go back here, man. If you know that, oh, you go see him.
Yeah.
Because he say, the man see him in dead. Go back here, man. That's the right track to the car.
Enough of them are run from there, you know. But when you have to look death in the eye.
Tear him in the eye.
And they said, but why you looking in my eye? He said, because I know you. I know you is there. But we're going to have a deal.
Yes, right.
I have this journey to go on. Me want you stay away.
See.
Sickness, stay away. Belly hot, stay away.
Right, because the journey happy run. And no man can run that journey beside you.
So even death, they right back on your wait.
Yes, sir.
But you said, death, I am righteous. All right, now watch you. But if you don't talk to death, death feel disrespected.
Yes,
that you don't
just blow it. Blow you away.
I said, so wait, you think the only life you have, boy, you have death too, you know? And so there's a balance coming in, mama. You must understand the dark and the light.
Of course, that's right. And if you can't understand what of them, I say, this English one of them, you set me sorry for you.
Because when the dark come, and you can't see it, you death surely are going to take you.
Yes, sir.
Because you don't recognize death.
That's right.
You must recognize death.
You have to respect.
And when the time comes, shake the hand of death. I say, welcome into my house.
Yes.
It is my time.
That's right.
But those who are afraid of death will be the ones who are going to meet death quick.
You know what I say. And so me say. So when me tell them, I say, me not afraid of death.
No.
Every time death come, me welcome him.
He come.
Because me I prepare for him. You know, see, you must prepare for that.
You know, death always a knock at the door, you know. When you're asleep, every breath you take, death say, whatever, I'm going to take another breath from you. Yeah, you know, say.
He's waiting on you. He's waiting you always.
In your life, you have to fight for every breath you take, you know. Because death always a try to teach you.
To kill you.
Teach
take
you
you
breath,
away.
them, you know.
Steal you away. Then he said, death have a time to steal us away.
Yes.
Steal us and carry us away. And the only place you might carry you go to grave.
You know, say in Africa, they used to rejoice when death come. Because them say, death is here.
Okay.
Let us prepare for the
Yes.
transition. But these people forget.
Afraid and worry over
No,
it.
you have to
Man can't afraid and worry over
No,
it.
you have to live to die.
I mean,
That's
go,
the only day.
when me get ready and I go on my bed, me say, yes, this is the hour. God, thy will be done. Then no problem. Me say, the only thing me sorry for, the only thing me that say sorry for, I mean, wouldn't sorry neither because from God, me not sorry.
No, you can't.
If somebody round me,
Mm-hmm.
right? You see?
Mm-hmm.
Somebody round me, I might be, me say something, so that the last word stand up. And your last word, and the first word that you say when you're born, and the last word you say, you're going to stand for dominate.
Yes.
Right? Because if you see how you live your mother, you say, ah!
And the same thing you say when you go, only one language. It's the
One
same.
language.
It's the same.
I do understand.
That's what me always say. The same sound when you make, when you're born and you scream out, and the same sound you, Lord, me dead.
I know you are going to say you ain't running somebody them run you. That's why you can't say nothing.
I never gonna speak for you. They are gonna cry out, why, Lord.
So the one way carry I carry back.
Mm-hmm.
So give time. Amen.
Right.
God have mercy.
The beauty of the cycle, right?
Me have one grandson, he tired pick up. And time he come in, I know one thing from earlier. When he come and sit down sometime, when me give them so, and when me talk to him, me see my nod, me say, all right, get up, go sleep. And my tell you say, boy, lay Alton. In the post, you know, me sit down and read out everything give me before I go in there. Before I know say I go join the force. And I say, I don't know why these things coming to me. And I sit down and I tell him, and I didn't go and I get didn't go there. Me hear say I go in the force. Me say that. So me I say to myself, so God, they really tell me, be telling me them do something. I mean, I know nothing about force, I mean, I know nothing about police. So. But everything is come up to me.
Yes.
I just I tell him, and you know, November, 2019, 2019, 2019, 2019, 2019, 2019, 2019, 2019, 2019, 2019, 2019, 2019, 2019, 2019, 2019, 2019, 2019, 2019, 2019, 2019, 2019, 2019, 2019, 2019, 2019, 2019, 2019, 2019, 2019, 2019, 2019, 2019, 2019, 2019, 2019, 2019, 2019, 2019, 2019, 2019, 2019, 2019, 2019, 2019, 2019, 2019, 2019, 2019, 2019, 2019, 2019, 2019, 2019, 2019, 2019, 2019, 2019, 2019, 2019, 2019, 2019, 2019, 2019, 2019, 2019, 2019, 2019, 2019, 2019, 2019, 2019, 2019, 2019, 2019, 2019, 2019, 2019, 2019, 2019, 2019, 2019, 2019, 2019, 2019, 2019, 2019, 2019, 2019, 2019, 2019, 20 November last year, me there, my son have one stepson there, police. And me get laid up on the bed, and me just a draw him up, Me draw the car, and this big black man, with I'm a fight against the young man, you know, love no young people. But I know force him there, me a draw up there, I wonder if anything happened to him. But he just a come to me. I mean, I know him, me see him 2 once or time, but me don't know him once so. And me say, me call Philip, my son, and me tell him. Me say, Philip, tell me something, your wife sanctify? He say, yes. Me say, oh. Tell her, I say, be telling his son, say, be careful. Because one policeman in the post not like him, and him a fight against him. And he said, his son come the other day, and he said, the mother said to him, and he said, Mommy, I don't lie, say I tell you no. Our black policeman too, and he said, you know, like none of the young people them. Just a fight against them. But what we see happen to the young man, you know, and we tell them, and he never run off. He never run off 2 months. I drive, you know, and some of the lick it car, lick it out, it on repair. And God make you no dead. You hear me? Well, in gone back, I work long in field, but if I leak out, conscious, unconscious, you know nothing.
What you saying?
That's Philip Papa said, Mama, you really see the danger, man. You really see it. I mean, tell him, and be careful. Big black policeman fight against the picking the boy them in night post.
Wow.
Why? You get your time, you in there, you collect your money same way. Then no, if pay them age and them they were on time come up. When them depart, what happened? Everything I go down, dead. You go out, there's no one you see the plant now, the banana, send so can you take my shit and chop them out. What happened?
You have to continue.
No, me say if you take the banana, chop out the sucker them, and the banana will be a turn up. When you cut the banana and chop them, what will happen? No dead banana root that. Because the sucker them dead. No sucker no they come up. The little picking them up and they might kill them off and all sort of things. So what will happen to the nation when we gone? We see your ears and the ears were under you gone. What will happen? And the Bible tells me say I worry without him. So now we protect who no protect the younger one we are coming up now.
Yes, ma'am.
You see? Because that's why God said, love, let us love. You see? For it did love hang the liar and the hang them. You see? Beloved, let us love, for God is love. And yet, if you love, you can't hurt somebody.
There's no need.
You can't hurt somebody if you love. No.
No space for that.
No, sir. Because in your heart, I go tell you, say, you get up now and you love the person and you go take the knife and stab him. And when you look, a blood up more than him. And if you take the knife and stab yourself at the same blood. So where you go stab your blood? Where you go cut your blood? If you make you bleed out. Why? Why you that come and want to take a knife and stab yourself? Right? Your mind is dead. But why? Why you would do it? Beloved, let us love, for God is love. And I love him left and I love him I come back for. But what the condition now, hatred grow up between the love because he say, happy him, I to a rasta now. And you know being the love, then how you look for love? Eh? If you want to have to go by. I pay me the love, I pay me hand this and pay me hand love. And pay your hand no good, the black and jet no good. So when me make it change, you have to come to love now, to get part of love now, to change for you. You see? I have to work on it good too. Because if I 10, somebody and the 10 want the love, so you have to go share up the 10.
Yes.
You see? It's a world we live in, you know, really. A world of wisdom, knowledge, and understanding. And if you know how them, they have to go back down there, go look for. You see? Love, knowledge, and understanding. That's when the king, when the woman, the two women had the baby, and the two, I don't know if you read that, hear that story. The two women have 2 children, the two of them asleep. Some, and I Bible there, you know, but some interpret it different. The 2 women are asleep, and the woman roll over and him baby and kill the baby. So the other woman take care of him baby, and when he wake, he might take with the other woman baby. So I said, no, it's my child. He said, no, I pay me for you then. He said, no, I don't pay you. I said, all right, now we go to the king. And then go to the king. The baby say appear, and the other one I say, I know appear, happy him. So the king said to her, so them say, I go and make a decision. What you think I'm going to do? I'm going to take my sword and split the baby right in two and give it to each of you. The woman where the baby belongs to say, no, king, don't split him. Give it to she, where she appear. The king say, okay. As long as you said give it to she, I'm going to give it to you because it's your child. You see? So if he wasn't as wise king, what did you do? He would split the baby in two. But because he's wise, him say, I go split it and give it to them. And the baby mother said, no, split him, give it to she, make she take it. So the king looked between and say, if it was your baby, you wouldn't say you could kill it. But true enough for you. True is not. True enough for your baby, you say you kill it. So I pay her the baby.
Wisdom.
You see the wiseness of the king?
Yes.
You see, so you have to go between this and all. You see?
The wisdom is there.
Yeah, man. Wisdom, knowledge. And you can have wisdom, knowledge and something because if you don't have the understanding,
Yes.
right? You have to have the understanding back up the tree. The tree. You see? Why you think fig and mantaga wrap together? Because fig never have the understanding, he knows he had cheek, mantaga cheek on him. The tree. So him and pastor go about his business and see the fig. He said, fig, we can't tap you there one night. And say, oh yes, because he blew me and look good, you know. So I sat with him the one night. And get up the morning. He said, I'm not feel for go, you know, we feel for stay a little longer. And he did this, so tell, and poor pig no knows your route he might take. Can tell you something, Kevin. And no things me learn from all, some even ordinary words that speak, and take it and put in a circulation, right? Because you have some people just like the figure and the mantaga. You know mantaga?
No, mantaga.
Okay, I was one tree where, you know, but get a yam stick off of it. But it no grow, so it grows and boom. So it grows and boom, so I know where your whole and shit. So one night in Zipping and a big figure lodging. And I know Manteca can come off a pig.
Mm-hmm.
And wrap him in send Manteca will go up on dirt.
Mm-hmm.
That they would. You know, go up on no dirt. I either tree or stone.
Mm-hmm.
So you had some people like, understand me?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And I try to themselves.
Mm-hmm.
Depend upon. Gimme, 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 gimme. And you have nothing to give.
Mm-hmm.
You hear me say?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. That's why you hear the word say spoon go and pack it home.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Spoon go pack it home.
Mm-hmm.
Hi, sir. Give me. Thank you, Jesus. Thank you.
Well,
So can you tell me something? Like how you live? Are you one? You live to yourself?
yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
You know.
So like how you live now, you place like how?
Yes, yes, yes.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
And nobody no trouble it?
No, ma'am.
Okay.
You know, I have to do the work. It's been a long.
Mm-hmm.
It's been a long journey.
Mm-hmm.
You know. And I have to know move like I always move. Sometime alone.
Okay, that's right. That's right.
Because too much crowd slow me down.
The crowd, and so yeah, your meditation is not mine, and your process. You have to go. So many times you go through so many process, which is only you alone, right? And you have to do that process alone to yourself.
Yes, yes, yes.
And unless you cannot come out as pure gold. Because when Jesus was on earth and when the time of temptation came, he has to leave the disciple and go alone.
Yes, 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 yes.
And
yes.
when he was there, when he came back and saw them, I said, you can't watch with me 1 hour. What did they say? The heart is willing, but the flesh is weak. Yes, right. And even to the hour. But let me tell you something. In these things, you know, you have to be strong. And you have to determine if a man charge you and say certain things about you, and they take you to the court, and when you go to the court, and the first say that the court say, you come here for this and you are that or so and so, and you say, Your Honor, please, I don't know nothing about what you're saying. And if they take you 10 times, the same word, I don't know what you're saying, you know, I don't know nothing about it. That is it. But if the first time you say that, and the second time you go and say something else, and the third time you go something else, you are in danger. You make your word be one word. I always look at this word when Jesus talked to me, he said, verily, verily. I say unto you. You know? And most time he use that word. Verily, verily, I say unto you. You see? Because if you change the word that you use this morning and the 12 o'clock you change it, can be some disaster in your life. No, sorry, go.
So you have to be consistent.
You have to be on the one, if I the one line or the one line.
Yes.
And just, when you dip on the one line, you look over there, so you say, oh, that one, they look prettier. Because at the end, you don't know, the beauty may be your last day. You don't see it? But you trod the rough road. Because God said in his word, he said, trod the rough and the narrow and the rough road. Because straight is the way that leaded to destruction. Straight is the road and broad is the road and straight that way, but a destruction. And narrow the way, rough the way, tiny the way, lead to life eternal. Because you could be at home now.
Yes.
Right? studying to do something that is wrong.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
Or to go and rob a man.
Yes.
Or to go and broke down some places.
Mm-hmm.
For do what? For live.
Mm-hmm.
But you say it's better. Yeah, the writer say it's better to be a doorkeeper in the house of God more than to be the tents of wickedness.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Are you?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Well, at that stage of life in your wicked condition going on there, your life is uncertain.
Mm-hmm.
You may not return.
Mm-hmm.
You see,
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
you not return.
Mm-hmm.
Because no certainty is not there.
Mm-hmm.
No certainty is not there.
Mm.
No certainty is not there, my brother. Man can be watching you.
Mm-hmm.
Because there's a Satan help thief, but God will help watchman one day. You hear them?
But him say no, say that louder for me.
God help Satan help thief, but God will help watchman one day.
Mm-hmm.
You hear? So every day Satan I send you and you are going to get you. God I'm going to help the watchman. I will catch you.
Mm-hmm.
No, so.
Mm-hmm.
And the boy.